That's a lot of sugar. That looks good.
And after the short ribs are cooked,
Should I start a meal prep service?
cucumber salad, but with tastes better than it looks, I swear.
I just took the ends of the...
Oh, I got it. The soba noodles.
Okay, so today for the menu we have, I'm doing like 5 dishes. We're doing stir-fried broccoli with steak, beef, and tofu, brown rice. We're gonna do a Korean sam with like, supposed to be like garlic, but we'll probably do peeled garlic, samjang, and lettuce, and kimchi pork. And then we're gonna have a Chinese style or Hainanese chicken with ginger scallion sauce. And then we have a salmon, a Japanese teriyaki, like miso. I'm still deciding whether I want to do sweet soy teriyaki or miso glazed salmon with soba noodle salad. So that's like buckwheat noodle salad. So we are taking a trip all around Asia.
You're gonna saute this, the ginger and the scallions for oil.
You just put hot oil in it. It's done.
You need garlic then?
Ginger scallion, it's ginger scallion, it's not ginger scallion garlic.
I know, for chicken.
Oh, for the other stuff? I'm just trying to get through this one first.
Are you done with this?
No, I just bought it. We're gonna do a Korean style kalbi too.
How long is this gonna take? I'm kind of hungry.
It's gonna take a while.
Really? Oh, I'm so hungry. Wow, did you even get fresh salmon? Do you want me to marinate while you... No, you don't trust me.
Usually you want to use a whole chicken, but I'm just using thighs. I just took the ends of the ginger. We're eyeing everything today. Ends of the ginger that we didn't use for the scallion ginger sauce. Put it in here. Poaching the chicken in this Hainan chicken mix. Shaoxing wine. A little bit of chicken bouillon. I don't know why we add it. My mom just does it, so I just do it. You can add fish sauce too. A little sesame oil for sure.
White pepper.
Sesame oil though is gonna make it really good.
You want to say hi to vlog?
Hey vlog, what are you guys doing?
He's making Hainan
I'm
tea
making
fun.
meal prep for the week for us.
Are you doing Hainan tea in the rice cooker?
No,
in the
unfortunately
pot.
not. We're
That's
just
what we
waiting.
call DTM, which means doing too much. Just do it in the rice cooker.
Where's this cleaver from?
We got it at
H1?
99 Ranch.
Bro, it's so good. I might need to get one for New York. But literally, it's amazing. I feel like it's easy to clean too. Is this fine, chef?
Yes.
I'm so much faster than you. Just not fucking... Why, you just want like kind of like wedge styles, right?
Yeah.
Your fridge is hella clean. Good job. My older brother's actually like the cleanest person. Actually, all of us, I think, are pretty. I'm like the messiest one.
You're not dirty though.
I had the most stuff. Like I just have like the always the most amount of like things.
You're not dirty.
Definitely not. But I am messy. There is a difference between dirty versus untidy. I'm a little untidy. I'm also untidy in the head because I never know what's going on, or I have too much going on in my head.
How's the velvet, the beef?
Velvet?
Yeah, it's gonna be really good though.
What does velvet mean?
It's when you marinate it with cornstarch, baking soda, put a little...
Oh, you mean you make it tender?
Yeah, tenderizing. Dude, those onions are perfect. Good job.
You didn't trust me, but I pulled through. I can cut it while you go do whatever.
Yeah, cut it into like whatever, and I'll add this. I low-key need a wok in this house.
Yeah, wok's so useful. What are you doing, Gaga?
Poaching this chicken. I want it to be really tender, I'm not cooking it too much.
That looks bland. That looks bland.
Says non-Asian people who watch Hainanese chicken videos.
Well, it is gonna be more bland than...
No, I'm just imitating people's comments. It's not. It's very flavorful.
There's a lot of flavor.
There's so much fucking flavor
I
in
put
this
hella
pot.
ginger. Alright, this is the fun part with the beef. This is what you want to mix it up.
Yeah.
This, a little soy.
You're just giving me the freaking kid tasks. Damn, you weren't lying about these mellows, bro. Mellow.
Scoop it out.
Ooh, this is good sugar.
Where's the baking soda, bro?
Yeah. Not too much?
That's a lot of sugar.
Oh fuck. Really? Bobby laughed when I did that. Dude, it's not. It's so much beef.
Okay.
Better sweet, no?
But I thought you were trying to be healthier.
There's barely any cornstarch. How's that?
We're doing light versions. We're doing healthy versions. So we're not gonna be too heavy-handed. It's gonna be like...
Oh, I'm always heavy-handed. That's probably why.
No, that's
Wait,
why...
is this it? How much?
Yeah, just a little bit. Not too much either.
You just do this by knowledge. Can I use a spoon? I'm gonna use a spoon. No, actually, I should use it. I'm not gonna. Don't get me a spoon. Yeah, that was low-key a lot of sugar.
It's okay. It's okay, we won't add additional salt, so it'll be pretty chill.
Okay, I think this is good.
This one made this really good miso.
Miso, sesame
Sweet
oil,
miso,
needed,
soy sauce, medium,
brown sugar.
Japanese kind of.
I'm gonna put a little bit of dashi.
Bro, Nobu is charging a leg and a
I'm
half.
gonna add garlic and ginger. Yeah, dude, I could never order. What is that called? Black cod.
Black cod at Nobu, bro.
They're making so much money from that. But would I be opposed if I got that? No. I don't know why they don't serve miso black cod like as a for airline food. It's like not expensive.
Yeah, I feel like that's so airline.
But I feel like it would taste chewy maybe.
Low key, we
Gallaby.
don't really need oil because there's a lot of fat on this.
Okay, I'll let you do your thing. Wait, you're basically making erewhon platters.
Yeah, that. Should I start a meal prep service?
You have too much going on. Just write your songs.
What's so funny? Also, I use this because there's less meat and more bone. That means that you'll... Isabel! Actually, stop.
I was trying to eat the chicken. You want garlic for your galbi, Gaga? Gaga.
Yeah, Loki after.
You don't want it to burn.
I do so much garlic and so much out.
Damn! That shit looks good.
All this costed $200. All of it together. Everyone a plate's $200, right?
God damn. Look at that.
There's a lot of fat, not a lot of meat in this, but it's fine.
No wonder you always win the cooking challenges.
There's a lot of fat on these though.
But still, fire. So, we started with this. So we've minced the ginger and then the scallions. And then we poached the odds and the ends with a little bit of wine, white pepper, what else? Ginger, everything with the chicken. And then now that the chicken is cooling down, we're gonna add hot oil to this later. And then now we're mixing this garlic. Also tenderize the short ribs. And after the short ribs are cooked, he's gonna cook the tofu in the fat. We're gonna do 2 versions of the galbi. One just the marinade and then one just with the garlic. Very high in protein. Can I try it? So the chicken is cooking on low, and then this is cooking on medium. We just turned it off.
I'm not trying to have this chicken be too cooked.
Bro, I'll move on the side. I'm moving on the side.
You're not touching this. Guys, I know she's gonna eat it. It's not good. Please.
It's a bite, it's a bite.
No.
It's a bite.
No. It's not ready.
It's for the video.
It's not ready. It's not ready. I gotta put it back. Just wait, Isabel.
What is this pork shoulder for? This is fire, Gaga. You need to remember what you added. Took the salmon out. Tastes better than it looks, I swear. We're doing like a little soba salad. So we boiled the soba noodles and then you just take frozen edamame. Result of our short ribs with some sauteed onions. I go to the bathroom for 1 second. He does the scallion oil, but you know how it goes. Just add hot oil to ginger and scallions. What do you think?
You do erewhon style.
It's pretty fire. It's just a bunch of sauteed veggies, but it's really good actually.
Dude, it's healthy, bro. Wait, should I make this the base for the kalbi? Can you make it prettier? Look at mine. Look at yours.
What do you mean? You got the prettier pieces.
Oh, but you have to layer them all symmetrically.
Oh.
You made yours all like
Oh, I got it. I think it looks delicious like this.
Trust
Fried
me,
eggs.
it's gonna look good at the end. I'm gonna add like chili crunch. Yeah, you can eat too.
Damn, you know what's healthy because we got the skinless one.
We got no color here because
It's all flavored.
we want just
Inside.
health.
Dang. Dang.
That looks good.
Looks like Hello Fresh. Just kidding. Wow, that's beautiful. You did that. I'm just kidding. Our scallion ginger oil for the Hanenji pan.
I didn't taste the sauce yet.
Did it? I was ready.
No. Should I do fried eggs for these too?
No. Cucumber salad is good, but you should add a little bit of soy.
Yeah, maybe do a hot soy now.
God, you gotta make everything hot. You are DTM doing too much. Our last step of the meal prep, you guys. Sesame oil, rice vinegar, and soy sauce. Let's coat it with the rice vinegar first. It's kind of like a pickled cucumber salad, but with carrots. what's it called? Spirals. A little bit of soy sauce. Super easy pickle. This is like from the TikTok recipe.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the result of all of the meal prep in under 1 hour. We took a lot of our favorite cuisines and made it into healthy meal ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.